coming up.
Steven, have you got the stuff?
A sneaker that has to be seen to be believed.
Hey, I'm Shiel. I'm a custom sneaker maker from Australia.
I'm Steven, Chase's little helper.
Welcome to Proof of Concept, a series where we take inspiration from film, music, TV, food, and we take that and turn it into a custom sneaker.
Let's go.
So today we're exploring iconic films. So I've each chosen 3 films with very iconic moments, and we're going to try and turn that into a custom sneaker.
So for my 3 films, I've chosen Point Break, I've chosen Scarface, and Goodfellas.
And I've chosen Jurassic Park, The Shining, and Taxi Driver.
Okay, so what we're going to do is put all 6 of these films into a random generator and pick one and go from there.
Let's go.
You're taking my catchphrase. All right, so it looks like we're doing Scarface for the first proof of concept.
So the silhouette we've chosen for this one is the MX-90. So what are you thinking in terms of design angle we should go for?
I'm thinking with this one of the most iconic things about the film is the poster. Black, white, red, simple, iconic, and it shows a lot of iconography within the film.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, I don't mind that idea. I was thinking the scene with the bathtub is wearing the Hawaiian shirt, got the blood stain, I think chinos or something.
Yeah.
Whether we can kind of translate that onto the sneaker.
So I do like that idea. It's a very gory scene. It's probably one of the most entertaining scenes in the movie. But I'm thinking just keep it simple. I think the black, white, and red in the poster is pretty much as simple as you can get. Because it shows the blood, it shows the black and the white with the 2 different Tony Montanas as we see in the movie, from the immigrant to the drug lord, and then the blood with the red, kind of symbolizing his inevitable death at the end of the film.
Just ruin it for everyone. They haven't watched it. Okay, that seems more simple to make. So done.
So,
We're going to go with that. It's that simple.
how good.
So now we're going to get on to designing the concept.
Let's go. So for the Scarface concept, we wanted the red to be used really sparingly, just like on the poster. Enough so it pops when you see it.
So we pulled inspiration from the official Nike Air Force One Scarface and brought that folded split seam into the MX-90 using black and white tumbled leather for most of the upper.
To add a bit more depth, we switched to a perforated white leather on the toe box as well as a collar. It breaks up the panels nicely and gives the shoe just a little bit more texture.
And we also added a couple of subtle Scarface details on the heel tab and the side panel where Nike would usually put their branding. Now that we have mapped out the design, it's time to start the making process. The following scene simulates a white powder substance using baby powder. We do not condone the use of drugs. What?
You wanted me?
Have you got the stuff?
Staff?
Steven, have you got the stuff?
I do. Here.
Steven, This is the quality that we're after. White tumbled leather, black tumbled leather, split seam, perforated leather. Say hello to my little friend on the side. Product on the back. Money on the inside. Red laser engraved tongue tag. First you get the money. Then you get the power. And then you get the women. You're really cooked on these. Hi guys, thanks for watching the first proof of concept video. We had a lot of fun making these, showing all the processes and the storytelling behind the concept.
And this is a new thing that we're trying out. So if you guys could like, share, comment, and show some love, that'd be much appreciated. And it would really help us moving forward, doing more stuff like this for you guys.
And we'll see you in the next one.
It's like Uncle Sam pointing.
Yes. We want you.